We've got some breaking news coming in on a story that India Today set the agenda with. Muttiah Muralidharan, the iconic Sri Lankan cricketer, has broken his silence on the controversy surrounding an upcoming movie biopic on his life, in which there had been controversy surrounding the actor Vijay Sethupathi, who is set to essay the character of Muttiah Muralidharan. Now Muttiah has come out with a statement saying he struggled in the civil war, that his father was hacked to death when he was 7 years old, and the biopic will talk about his struggles during 30 years of civil war between the Sri Lankan majority and the Sri Lankan Tamils on the island nation. Muralidharan has said, "I have never supported the death of innocent people and that all ethnicities are the same." This is just to remind you that the controversy surrounding the biopic is basically hinged on certain Tamil groups and filmmakers in India saying that Muralidharan never criticized the Sri Lankan government and he never spoke out against the genocide of Tamils. He himself is a Tamil and he did not speak out. So Muralidharan has now come out to say that is complete nonsense, that he has done a lot of work for Tamil Eelam and this movie is in fact about his struggles. Want to go across to India Today's Akshaya Nath for more. Akshaya, we set the agenda yesterday on 5 Live with this story, the big controversy surrounding Vijay Sethupathi's film 800, where he is going to play the role of Muttiah Muralidharan. Clearly the controversy became too hot and therefore you have Muttiah Muralidharan himself coming out and putting out this statement very clearly and saying that I have spoken out before and that this movie is about my struggles.
Well, yes, Shiv, what we're seeing today is that Muttiah Muralidharan, the ace spinner, has come out and broken his silence. He sent a 3-page clarification in his letterhead stating that he has struggled a lot to achieve what he has done. And he said that he is not a person who has not stayed away from the civil war. He and his family, all of them had been affected by the civil war. He has lost many of his relatives. His father was hacked. And he even states that, you know, in a country where every day when they used to go to school, there was a fear whether the student who he used to talk to or play with will be alive the next day or not. So 30 years they have lived with the war, and his statements about the civil war, about the genocide, have all been misconstrued by many people. In fact, he gives a clarification that in 2019, during an interview, he had said that 2009 was one of the most memorable years for him, and that is being misconstrued by many people against him. The reason why he said 2009 is a memorable year for him was because the civil war ended, clarifies Muttiah Muralidharan. He states that, you know, in a country where for almost 30 years, when you live with war, you only understand the need for peace when it is finally achieved. And that was the memorable issue that he was talking about. And he also goes on to state that he has done several work for the Tamil Eelam when he was a UN ambassador, and also through his foundation, through his NGO, he has been continuously working for the Tamil cause, is what Muttiah Muralidharan says. And he says that people in Sri Lanka really know about his effort and what he's done forward. And these kind of controversies will not tamper him or his achievements. And he also says, as a Tamil from Sri Lanka, to get a position in the Sri Lankan team is a huge achievement, and that should not be miscredited. And it is talent what brought him there, and not because he was supporting certain people or political parties. And he also says that when the movie was actually spoken to him, he did not want to do a biopic, but when he thought about the effort of all those people around him, like his teachers, family, coaches, that's when he wanted to do the movie. He clarifies.
You know, Akshaya, it's unusual for, you know, the subject of a film and an iconic cricketer to come out with a statement of clarification of this kind. Clearly, the controversy had become a little too uncomfortable, and therefore the need for this kind of a clarification. But before I come to you, Akshaya, back, Mohan Raman is also a well-known actor. I want to bring him in for a view on this. Mr. Raman, what do you think of this? Muttiah Muralidharan has come out with a long clarification saying that this movie is about his struggles and that he has always spoken out about the Tamil genocide.
See, personally, I think without knowing what the script is about, we shouldn't bother about this part of what has happened, unfortunate part of what happened in Sri Lanka. Now, if it is about his struggle in trying to become a cricketer, overcoming his handicap, physical handicap, how he converted that into from a minus to a plus, how he struggled, and then how he was called a chucker, and how he had to overcome that, and how he had to fight the system there to come up in cricket. If it is about that, then we should leave it at that, because as long as the movie doesn't go about justifying what happened to the Tamils,
Yeah.
or making a political statement in the film, as long as it is so, we should wait for the script before we come to a conclusion.
But Mr. Raman, why do you think Muthaiya Muralidharan has felt the need to come out and clarify in this manner? Do you think it may be because there are elections coming up, emotions are high, and you have some pretty big names like Bharati Raja and others who've come on the record to criticize the fact that this film is being made by Vijay Sethupathi?
That is what I think. Vijay Sethupathi must have felt the pressure from the film industry, if at all it put any pressure. And Murli must have thought that anyway, since these people are painting as if I am a stooge of the Lankan, let me clarify that, irrespective of whether the movie is being criticized or not. I think the image given by those detracting against Murli or against Vijay Sethupathi doing the role, they have accused Muralidharan of being a stooge of the or a supporter, silent supporter of the Sinhala. So he probably wanted to give a clarification that I am not like that, because now that he has given that clarification, I think it more than amply meets what these people are talking about.
Okay.
Because I hope the controversy.
We'll have to wait and see. Mr. Mohan Raman, thank you very much for taking the time and speaking to us. Akshaya, one final word to you. Yesterday we saw this controversy becoming pretty hot. We haven't yet heard from Vijay Sethupathi, but we've heard from Murli himself, which is unusual in this written statement. Do you think this will put a lid on this entire controversy, Akshaya? Or do you think that, with election season, emotions high, it could still go on for a while?
Well, Shiv, is very unfortunate that, somebody has to justify his own stand about his ethnicity and his country. Well, as you rightly pointed out, this is the election season, and most of the Tamil groups in the state are against Muralidharan, and they're saying that Vijay Sethupathi should not go ahead with the project. But as we rightly know, Vijay Sethupathi is well known for kind of selecting his projects after reading his scripts, and there have been a lot of voices from within the industry which are supporting him, stating that he has a right to choose a character as an actor, and if there are no political connotations to the entire storyline, then he should go ahead with it. And Vijay Sethupathi is known for keeping his silence in controversies like this, but we're expecting him to break his silence too, because Muralidharan has come forward and spoken. And in fact, we need to remember that Muralidharan is in UAE in between the IPL session. He is coaching for a team. In spite of all that, he's taken his time out and clarify about the project. So there are hopes that Vijay Sethupathi too will clarify about this entire controversy and put it to rest.
Hope that happens. Let's see if that happens. We'd love to have both Muthaiya Muralidharan and Vijay Sethupathi along with Akshaya and me. We'd love to chat with the both of them about the making of this film. They can address all the political concerns that have been raised as well. Why not? Two, great stars. One an actor, one a cricketer. Both persons who have views that we'd love to hear about, especially ahead of the making of this film. So we'll try and get the both of them for you, even though we know that they're both very busy here on India Today. Akshaya, thank you very much for that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.
Okay, moving on now. Actor Vivek